Yes. So whenever any user, if any user has to be created in ServiceNow, on the left side navigation pane, you need to type user administration. Under user administration, if you click on users, the list view. See here it is looking like a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is looking like a list, right? So it will be called as list view in ServiceNow terminology. LISTVIEW. So there are about 701 users already existing in my system. Now I am creating a new user by clicking on new button. So here, whatever the Srikanth has sent, that means whatever the basic details ServiceNow administrator has received, those details here we need to enter. Okay, what are those details? First name is, say for example, mona@sba.com. Mona@sba.com, copy, paste it. Mona, happy manager. Who is the manager of, say for example, Karthik is the manager of Mona. On which designation? What is the designation of Mona since in SBI? So IT technician. In which department she is an IT technician? Department in finance department she is an IT technician. Like this, ServiceNow administrator will update all these details received from Mona's manager. Then ServiceNow administrator will save the record by right-clicking on the header. Right-click on the header and save the record. So once this is saved, then ServiceNow administrator has to create password for Mona. Password. Now for updating the password, ServiceNow administrator will click on set password. Okay, generate password. Okay, save password, copy password. Once there, I am copying the password and passwords needs reset is checked. Password needs reset is checked. So what does it mean? Once the profile is created, ServiceNow administrator will send an email to Mona that, hi Mona, as per your request, we have created your profile in ServiceNow and below are the credentials. Like this, Mona will, ServiceNow administrator will send this is temporary password. So Mona will, ServiceNow administrator will send an email to Mona. Okay. Now, Mona will have two options. Either she can call service desk or she can directly log into the ServiceNow system with these credentials. With these credentials, she can directly log into the ServiceNow system. Now I will show you how Mona can able to log into the system and she will raise the incidents on her own. Okay. So now I will go to incognito window. Same link is 128,557. I will show you. See, you can see 128,557. I have it there. I think I have logged into log out. Yeah. So the user ID is, what is user ID, guys? Mona@sba.com. So I will type Mona@sba.com. And Mona has received password, temporary password also, right? So she will copy like this and paste it. Log. So how Mona got this change password window? Why? Because ServiceNow administrator has checked her password here. That means password needs reset. That ServiceNow administrator is allowing Mona to change her password on first login. On first login, she can change password. Okay. So now, so Mona will enter temporary password here. Sorry. New password entering. Okay. Submit the button. See. Now Mona is happy. Mona is able to log into the ServiceNow system. Now she will click on all and pin it. Once now she has got some printer issue and she don't want to, in her branch, California branch, She has got a printer issue and she don't want to call the service desk 1-800-100. She don't want to wait in the queue. So she can directly log into the system now. She has already logged in. What she will do is she will go to incident form, click on incidents, okay, click on incidents and click on. If it is a high importance, high urgency, she will click on high and she will write like we have a printer issue in California branch. Please look into the issue. Is like this, you will update and submit the report. Who is doing this? Mona is directly able to create incident. Right? See, it has been created successfully. Now, next, she has got some keyboard issues. She has got some keyboard issues. Say, for example, okay. See here, Mona is there. Okay. Now I will enter my login ID. Okay. This is my login ID, guys. See, system administrator. So now what I will do, no, I am the service desk agent now. After Mona is calling me on the service desk 1-800-100. Immediately I went to incident form, create new. Okay. I will ask what is your. If she says my name is Mona, then I will type Mona. See here, I'm getting her details properly. Then I will write, I will ask what is your issue. If she says keyboard issue, so user is facing issue with the keyboard. Okay, please look at the issue. This is how I will write, and I will assignment group to hardware because keyboard is a hardware related issue. If the issue is with network, I will assign this ticket to network. If the issue is with software, I will assign this to software. Okay, if the issue is with the database, I will assign this ticket to database. So for every particular issue, there will be a respective group. The respective team will be there. Okay, so as this is a hardware issue, I will assign this ticket to hardware now, hardware, and I will save the report. My job is done as a service desk agent. My job is done as a service desk agent. Now it is the responsibility of hardware team to take, support or help Mona in this keyboard issue. Now somebody from hardware team will put this ticket like David Lu. Now the state is in new. So David Lu update his name and save the record. The state will be moved from new to in progress. New to in progress. Okay. So once that is done, David will call Mona and he will check what is the issue. If he is able to fix the issue over phone, he will fix the issue, or else he will provide the new keyboard to Mona. And once Mona confirmed that yes, my issue is fixed, then David will move the state from in progress to resolve. This is how the cycle works. This is how the cycle works. Okay, any confusion here, Mona and Sanjay?
No. And what is this list view? Can you say it once again?
Yeah, sure. So any service in the service now, there will be two kinds of visuals. Two kinds of visuals. Like, if you click on all, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is looking like a list, right? So all the incidents raised in the system will be displayed in the list view. If you open a single record like this, it is called, if you are able to see only one record information, that is called form view, FORMVID. If you go to again user administration, users, see, this is again a list of users, that is list of incidents. If you open Mona's profile, you will be able to see only Mona's details. That is called Mona's form view. User, understand?
Yes, okay.
Sanjay.
Yes, Kumar.
Yeah, very nice. So now you understand how to create users. If any user is coming into the organization, It is the responsibility of the ServiceNow administrator to create their profile once they received from um, details from manager or project manager. Okay, how will you create? Under user administration, you will click on user, you will get the list, click button, enter all the details provided by the project manager or manager of the user, and then save the record. Once you save the record, you will get the set password button. Click on password button and generate, save it, copy it, and send it to this user, so that whenever they want to log into the system on their own and raise the incident, they will log in the system and raise the incident. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So now we have completed how to create a user manually. Now we will discuss about groups. How to create groups. What do you mean by group? See, say for example, till now I just went to okay. This is the group. You can call it as a team, group, support group, assignment group, resolver group.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for disturbing.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this is 10 o'clock class, right?
No, yeah, exactly. Actually, it is a 10 o'clock, this one. But I have already told them about users and groups. So I'm explaining, I'm taking one class as a backup class so that you can continue in the 10 o'clock batch.
No, no. Can you come again once, sir? I didn't get you properly.
See, in the 10 o'clock batch,
Okay.
he's talking who, Mona?
Parimala.
Parimala, right now it is only 9:49, right?
Yeah, that's why, sir. Is that class is 10 o'clock class or some other class I'm asking?
No, 10 o'clock class will start at 10:15.
Okay.
You know that, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you off and log in at 10:15, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm confused. Sorry. So assignment group is nothing but it is like a team, assignment group, support group, resolver group. Anything is, if you call it as any support group, assignment group, resolver group, anything that is same. Okay. Say for example, here I will give you one example, guys. I'll give you one example. Give me a second. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Now, okay, now I'll show you. Say for example, till now, SBI, all these 2 lakh employees, see, everybody will apply for a leave, correct? Everybody will apply for a leave. And all these 2 lakh employees all over the world, every employee, what they are following the processes. If they want to take the leave, what they are following the process, they will send the email to, their manager, and once their manager approve the leave, they will take the leave. This is what the process they are following all over the world, 10,000 branches. Okay. So now SBI management wants to change this process, saying that they are going to launch a leave management application. Leave management application on 1st January 2023. By 21st January 2023, they want to launch leave management application for all these 2 lakh employees. Whenever they want to apply for a leave, they have to log into this application and apply their leave. So what are the fields? They will have name, employee ID, state, new, open, pending, approved, rejected, completed. Leave type is sick leave, emergency leave, like this. From date and due date, they have to submit the record. Okay, now Mona is a manager in California. Okay, and she wants to apply the leave. Okay, she has called the she logged into the leave management application and entered her her details like Mona here, and employee ID is 12345, and no, she has applied leave type like vacation, and from date to date, the due date is 1 week, and submitted the record. Once she submitted the record, how we are getting the incident number? She has to get the LR, leave request number 123. She has to get, but she is not getting this number. Is that a issue or not, guys? In the leave management application.
Yes. It is
Yes.
the issue.
Now,
Yeah.
what she has to do? She has to call the service desk 1-800-100. So what she has done is she has called service desk, and I have picked up her call. And now I asked, what is your name? And she said, Mona. I typed Mona and selected. Now I asked, what is your issue? She said, I am not able to submit the leave request on the leave management application. Now, as a service desk agent, I will write like user is not able to submit the leave request on leave LMS, leave management system application. And I have to whom I have to assign this ticket, guys? To whom I have to assign this ticket? Hardware, network, database. For every there is a team, but for leave management, there is no group at all. As a service desk, how I will assign this ticket? That means if they are, if the organization, if SBI is launching the application on 1st January 2023, by 31st January 2022, by 31st January 2022, SBI management or project manager will ask a ServiceNow administrator to create a assignment group, for leave management application. That means now what ServiceNow administrator has to do? ServiceNow administrator has to go to user administration. Under user administration, users, there is a module called groups. He will click on groups. You see, there is again a list of all the groups which are available in the system. Now I am creating a new group called leave management LMS. Leave management system. Okay, who is the manager, description, everything. Project manager or SBI management will provide to ServiceNow administrator. So manager is, say for example, Chandana. Chandana is the manager of this leave management system. L1 support, L1 support, something like this. Okay. Now I will save the record. Once I save the record, see here, if I open groups, see if there is a hardware group, hardware group, see hardware group, I'll open array R. open. There is a network group also. Right? Okay, no issues. Okay, hardware group is there. I am opening other group called network. Click on all. Network. Network open. See, in the network group, we have 10 members. In the network group, we have 10 members. Okay, in the hardware group, we have 7 members. Correct. So if I go to incident form, if I reload it, see if I select hardware over here, hardware, if I select aside to, the list will be provided here, 7 members. In the same way, do we need to have the members in the leave management system also or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
who will give you the list of the leave management support group members? Again, project manager will give you the list of group members who need to be added in this group. And once a ServiceNow administrator receives that list, he will click on edit button. So all the list of users available in the system will be populated here. It's called flush bucket, SLUSH bucket, SLUSH bucket. So say for example, Boris Catino is there. Okay. And Carla Sarboa and Dwayne is there. And Dorothy Alexi is there. So there are 4 members. We have got this list from the project manager as a ServiceNow administrator. I have added this and saved the record. So 4 members are added here. I will save the record. I will save the record. So now I will go to incident form and reload it. Okay. Now I will apply this ticket to, I'll type like leave management now. See, I got leave management system LLC. So assigned to how many users we have added, guys? 4. See, 4 users are there in this list. So I am selecting this. Okay, 4 users, but I am not getting any user here. I have added four users, but in the leave management system, 4 users are not there. But in the network, I am getting in the hardware, I am here on the assigned to list. Then why I am not getting 4 users of leave management system? That means there is a thumb rule. There is a thumb rule called wants to display or visible under assigned to list, they must have a role called ITIL. Must have a role called ITIL. It is a thumb rule which you need to remember. Now again, I will go to the users list. See, again, I'm going to user administration, users. See, who are all there in my group? So Dwayne is there. I will go to users. Here I will type Dwayne, DWAIN. See, I got a Dwayne Agricola. Who is that? Dwayne Agricola. Okay. I will open Dwayne Agricola's profile. Here, if you go to the bottom of user form, there is a section called role. Here you can see there is active inheritance map, role is empty role. But what I told you, there should be a role called IT here. Correct. So I will click on in the roles section, I will click on edit button. And here, whatever the roles we have in ServiceNow will display here. I will add ITIL role. See, I will add ITIL role. See, I have added ITIL role. Save.
What is the difference between ITL admin and ITL only?
I'll tell you, going forward, you will be able to understand.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Okay, now see in the Dwayne Agricola roles, I have added ITIL role. You can see. Now again, I'll go to incident form and reload it, leave it. Okay. Assignment group is leave management. Leave management. See, I am getting Dwayne Agricola. Why other three members are not getting displayed, guys? Mona,
Uh, they are not part
Because
of ITL.
ITL part.
correct?
Yes.
So now what I'll do is I'll go to the group form now. So instead of adding ITIL role to individually by opening this profiles, Dorothy, Boris, Carla like this, what I will do is I will add ITIL role directly to a group. So beside this group member section, there is a section called roles. What I'll do is I will add ITIL role directly to the group so that whoever is added in that group, will be, see, I have added a role called ITIL role to directly to a group. So whoever is added in this group will automatically get the ITIL. Okay. So now again, I will go to incident form, leave management. Okay. Now all four members got ITIL role. Any confusion on this?
No.
No.
This is clear. So
Yes.
what I did, instead of opening each and everybody's profile, I have, you can see, now what I'll do is I'll go to leave management. See guys, you don't need to go to user profile and open it. You can do one thing also. No, hold the control button, You click on this, everybody's profiles will be opened in a different tabs. You can see. Hold the control button and click on it. Dwayne, okay, Dorothy, Boris, Carla. Everybody's profile got opened. So here, for Dorothy, Boris, and Carla, I have not added ITIL role directly. Correct?
Yes.
Did I add ITIL role directly to Dorothy, or it has come from the group?
Group.
Mona,
Yes, from group.
it is from the group only. Correct?
Yes.
So the difference between here, Dorothy is having one ITIL role and Boris is having one ITIL role, but Dwayne is having two ITIL roles, because I have added one ITIL role. Other ITIL he got from the group. Is that
Group.
correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So ITIL inherited to false, inherited to true. See, you can check. I'll check these two boxes. You can see one is false, one is true. Is nothing but inheritance to true is nothing but inherit means you are getting this from outside. False means you directly got this ITI. If I remove Dwayne from this group, I'll remove this Dwayne from group means it will be removed this ITI. You can see. See, I will go to groups form and I will leave management system is there. I will edit. Now I will remove the group to save the record. Okay. Now, if I go to the bottom, he will have here. See, he is having only one ITIL because he has removed from the. So, what do you need to understand from this group, guys? There is a two option. There are two options. One is, yeah. So one is from the user form. In the user form, you can add groups. From the user form, you can add groups. From the user form also, you can add group by clicking on edit button. From the group form, you can add members. Vice versa, guys. Any confusion on this?
No.
No, Kumar.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, sir, Girish.
Yeah, Girish, our class will start at 10:15.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mona and Sanjay, I am stopping this class for now. Please join back again at 10:15. Is that fine?
Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay, Kumar.
daily we'll be having 9 o'clock, or today only one day for Kumar?
No, every day 10 to 11.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah,
So
okay.
join back again at 10:15.
Yeah, fine, sure.
Yeah, okay, bye.